DASH Mini Waffle Maker. The DASH Mini Waffle Maker is a compact and versatile appliance perfect for quick and easy treats. Its 4-inch non-stick cooking surface creates perfectly sized waffles, hash browns, paninis, and more in minutes. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or on-the-go use. The dual non-stick surfaces ensure even cooking and effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze. With its simple plug-and-play design, it heats up quickly for hassle-free operation. The sleek and stylish design comes in various colors to match any kitchen decor. Its small size allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Cool touch handles and non-slip feet add safety during use. Great for breakfast or creative snacks, it's perfect for individuals or families. Enjoy convenience and fun with the DASH Mini Waffle Maker.